Welcome to our tour of a truly unique and elegant small apartment. Today, we will take you through a space where Scandinavian design meets bold glam and elegance. Despite its compact size, every inch of this apartment is thoughtfully curated to create a luxurious, sophisticated ambience. Whether you're a fan of minimalism, opulence, or the art of combining both, this space will surely inspire your next design project. From smart storage solutions to luxurious accents, let's dive into the world of small, glamorous Scandinavian apartments. The entryway sets the tone for the entire apartment. It's a perfect blend of Scandinavian simplicity and bold, elegant features. Notice the use of sleek furniture, minimalist art pieces, and the subtle glimmer of mirrored accessories. This entrance invites you into a space that radiates sophistication while staying true to Scandinavian principles of functionality and clean lines. The clever use of space also ensures that even the smallest areas serve a purpose. This living room exemplifies the idea of combining bold glamour with Scandinavian design. The luxurious velvet sofa pops against the minimalistic furniture and softwood finishes. An oversized abstract artwork creates a statement on the wall, blending modern glam with minimalist simplicity. Scandinavian design is all about creating functionality without compromising beauty, and here every piece serves both purposes. You can see how the bold colors and textures play against a neutral backdrop, creating an inviting, stylish atmosphere. Moving into the kitchen, we see how Scandinavian functionality is paired with luxurious design. Despite its small size, this kitchen doesn't skimp on style. Dark cabinetry creates a bold contrast against bright brass details, and the sleek countertops are as functional as they are elegant. The clever use of space ensures that everything has its place, from kitchen essentials to decorative items that add a touch of glam. Every material, from the polished countertops to the matte finishes, reflects a curated sense of style. In the bedroom, we witness the perfect fusion of comfort and glam. Scandinavian design encourages the use of soft, muted tones, but here, the space is elevated with plush textiles like velvet pillows and rich linens. The bold, upholstered headboard adds a touch of drama, while the soft lighting keeps the atmosphere warm and inviting. The small space is transformed into a sanctuary that feels both chic and restful, with every piece of furniture adding to the sense of elegance and serenity. In a small apartment, storage is essential. Scandinavian design excels in this area, offering clever and stylish solutions that keep the space organized without compromising style. Floating shelves are used to display artwork and books while keeping the floor space open. Underbed storage ensures that even the smallest areas are maximized. Decorative baskets add a charming touch, perfect for storing everyday items while contributing to the overall aesthetic of the room. Even the bathroom embraces both glam and Scandinavian elegance. A bold pattern tile adds visual interest, while the minimalist decor ensures that the space remains serene. The glass shower and clean lines reflect the simplicity of Scandinavian design, but small luxury details like high-end fixtures and sleek mirrors elevate the space into something truly glamorous. The clever use of space makes the bathroom feel spacious, even in its smaller layout. As we come to the end of our tour, let's take a moment to admire the final touches. From the luxe textiles and bold furniture choices to the carefully selected art pieces and accessories, each detail brings the design to life. The Scandinavian foundation of clean lines and simplicity is perfectly complemented by the glamorous accents that add personality and warmth. This small apartment shows that you can have both style and substance, making it a true example of how thoughtful design can elevate even the smallest of spaces. Lighting is one of the key elements that can change the entire mood of a room, and in this living room, the lighting plays a huge role in highlighting the space's glamour. Pendant lights in sleek designs hang above the seating area, casting soft, warm light that enhances the bold accents of the room. The juxtaposition of light and shadow creates an inviting atmosphere while ensuring that the space remains cozy, even with its modern edge. Whether it's for entertaining guests or relaxing after a long day, the lighting in this room ensures it's always the right setting. The dining area in this apartment is designed with elegance and simplicity in mind. The dining table, crafted from light wood, is paired with sleek Scandinavian-style chairs, all anchored by a bold centerpiece. The gold-toned accents on the table and surrounding accessories bring in a touch of glamour, while the open layout ensures that the space feels airy and uncluttered. It's a perfect example of how functionality and elegance can coexist in a small apartment, making even the most everyday moments feel special. One of the easiest ways to add personality and glamour to a room is through art and decor. Here, we see a large statement piece that introduces vibrant color and bold lines into an otherwise neutral room. The art piece contrasts beautifully with a clean Scandinavian furniture, making it the focal point of the space. In a small apartment, it's the perfect way to infuse drama and sophistication without overwhelming the room. This blend of modern art with minimalist design shows how even a small space can handle bold design choices. In a small apartment, making use of every nook and cranny is essential, and this office corner is a perfect example of that. Scandinavian design is known for its clean lines and functionality, and here the desk is simple yet stylish. The bold accent pieces, such as the modern chair and sleek lamp, add a touch of glam without taking away from the minimalist vibe. The entire setup is not just practical, but also visually appealing, proving that even a small workspace can be both beautiful and efficient. Color contrast is a powerful tool in interior design, and in this apartment, the combination of dark and light tones creates a striking visual impact. The deep, rich walls provide a dramatic backdrop, while the light-colored Scandinavian furniture brings balance and freshness to the room. The interplay of these contrasting elements adds depth and sophistication to the small space, proving this small apartment can handle bold design choices with ease. In Scandinavian design, the use of natural elements like wood and greenery is a cornerstone of the aesthetic. This apartment features a beautiful blend of light wood tones and lush plants that bring life to the space. The natural textures provide a sense of warmth and comfort, while the greenery adds a refreshing touch of nature. In a small apartment, this combination of elements not only enhances the beauty of the space but also promotes a sense of calm and tranquility. Small spaces often require multifunctional areas that serve more than one purpose, and this design does just that. In this apartment, a cozy reading nook doubles as a workspace. Scandinavian design emphasizes versatility, and the smart use of furniture makes it possible to seamlessly blend comfort and functionality. A stylish chair and table create an inviting space for relaxation or productivity. The sleek lighting and plush textiles ensure that whether you're working or unwinding, the space remains functional and stylish. Mirrors are an excellent tool in small apartments to create the illusion of space, and here a large statement mirror does just that. The mirror not only reflects the beauty of the room but also amplifies the light, making the apartment feel larger and more open. The frame of the mirror adds a touch of glamour, combining the minimalist charm of Scandinavian design with the bold, luxurious vibe of the overall space. This simple addition transforms the room into a more dynamic, elegant environment. In a small apartment, it's the small accessories that make all the difference. In this kitchen, high-end accessories like a brass kettle and elegant marble countertops add a sense of luxury and style. The Scandinavian design ensures that everything has its place, with smart storage solutions tucked neatly away. The mix of natural materials, clean lines, and luxurious accents demonstrates that even the most functional spaces can be elevated with the right decor. Incorporating greenery into your home can bring life and vibrancy to any space, and in Scandinavian design, plants are a must-have. From large leafy plants to small succulents, the greenery throughout this apartment brings nature indoors, adding a sense of calm and freshness. Not only do the plants enhance the aesthetic appeal, but they also purify the air and promote a healthy environment. The juxtaposition of nature and design in this space is a perfect example of how beauty and functionality go hand in hand. Another way to infuse personality and sophistication into a small apartment is through a carefully curated art gallery wall. This apartment uses a mix of bold art pieces and minimalist frames to create a gallery effect, showcasing the owner's unique style and taste. The art adds visual interest and creates focal points throughout the room, contributing to the overall glam aesthetic. The balance between bold art and minimalist decor ensures the space feels cohesive while still standing out. The minimalist bedroom serves as a serene retreat in this small apartment. With soft, neutral linens and minimalist furniture, the room promotes relaxation and calm. Yet, a bold accent piece, such as a large statement lamp or unique artwork, adds a touch of glam. The simplicity of the room, paired with the unexpected pop of luxury, creates a balanced, stylish space where you can unwind at the end of the day. In small apartments, function and glamour must coexist. This space showcases multifunctional furniture pieces that not only look stunning, but also serve multiple purposes. A stylish ottoman doubles as extra seating, while a sleek coffee table offers both storage and a surface for display. This approach ensures the space remains efficient without sacrificing luxury. Scandinavian design principles encourage functional beauty, and in this room, every piece of furniture enhances both form and function. Cozy corners in a small apartment can make all the difference, and this reading nook is the perfect example. With a plush chair, soft throw blanket, and warm lighting, it invites you to curl up and relax. The use of neutral tones and soft textures reflects the Scandinavian commitment to comfort, while the stylish decor adds a touch of elegance. This nook is a testament to how you can create a glamorous yet cozy space, no matter how small your apartment is. Balancing different textures can elevate the design of any room, and in this Scandinavian apartment, textures are used to create a rich and inviting atmosphere. Velvet cushions add a touch of luxury, while woven rugs introduce a natural element. These contrasting textures work together to create a space that feels both sophisticated and comfortable. The combination of materials reflects the Scandinavian desire to blend elegance with practicality in every corner of the home. A key to making any apartment feel like home is adding personal touches, and this space does just that. Family photos, unique trinkets, and other personal items give the apartment a sense of character and warmth. These details stand out against the backdrop of minimalistic furniture, creating a space that feels lived in and inviting. It's a perfect reminder that no matter how glamorous or bold your apartment is, the personal elements are what truly make it your own. Wall-mounted furniture is another fantastic way to optimize a small apartment while keeping the design clean and minimal. By mounting shelves, desks, and other furniture pieces on the wall, you open up valuable floor space, making the room feel larger and more airy. This is a practical solution commonly found in Scandinavian design, where functionality is key. It's a perfect example of how creativity and thoughtful planning can help you make the most of your space. A smart color palette can help tie together a small apartment, and this Scandinavian space makes use of a neutral base accented with pops of bold color. Soft beige and gray tones create a calm and soothing backdrop, while colorful throw pillows and blankets add playful personality and warmth. The careful choice of colors ensures that the room feels cohesive while still leaving room for bold elements. This use of color is a hallmark of Scandinavian design, where simplicity meets liveliness. One of the best ways to maximize space in a small apartment is through multifunctional furniture, like this versatile sofa. It not only offers a comfortable seating area, but also has built-in storage for keeping things neat and organized. Even better, it can easily be converted into a fold-out bed for guests. This type of functional, space-saving furniture is an essential part of Scandinavian design, ensuring your home is both stylish and practical, no matter the size. Open shelving is a functional and visually appealing feature of Scandinavian design, perfect for a small apartment where every inch counts. In this space, open shelves display books, plants, and decor pieces, providing easy access while adding personality to the room. This approach not only makes the room feel more open, but also offers an opportunity to display personal items, blending form and function seamlessly. With the right organization, open shelving can be both practical and stylish. Scandinavian design is known for its timeless appeal, and this apartment embodies that principle. With classic pieces like a clean-lined sofa, simple shelving, and natural wood accents, the room feels both modern and enduring. These timeless elements ensure that the space won't quickly feel dated, making it easy to incorporate new trends over time without losing its elegance. The enduring beauty of Scandinavian design ensures that your small apartment will always feel fresh and stylish, no matter the years that pass. In conclusion, designing a small apartment in the Scandinavian style allows you to create a space that is both elegant and functional. Through clever use of furniture, lighting, color, and texture, even the smallest spaces can be transformed into glamorous, bold, and inviting environments. The key is to balance minimalist design with personal touches, ensuring that every corner reflects your unique taste and lifestyle. No matter your apartment size, Scandinavian design proves that beauty, comfort, and style can always coexist.